So I have ordered this stunt car. I found it really cool online, so I ordered it and I thought I should share it with you guys. Let's bring out the remote control here. All right, let's bring out the watch. Let's bring out the USB cable and the battery of the car and the car itself. A button cell here, so this watch will work with a button cell. This is its button to turn on. You will wear this one on the finger, probably like this, something like that. It comes with this gravity sensor watch that you can wear it and control with it. You can perform all kinds of stunts just using this watch, and I actually really love it. So once you have wore it, you can actually move it forward, reverse, or sideways just by using your hand. The car can move sideways as well as forward and reverse. It is a four-wheel drive, so it means that even if it hits something, it will still continue driving. Obviously, remote is there. You can perform all kinds of operations with the remote as well. It has music as well. It has built-in lighting, on-road mode and off-road mode. Using the remote, actually, you can turn on an auto show mode as well.